Traders War Room proudly presents the daily video with the best trading and investing alerts anywhere on any platform. With up-to-date stock, chart, and market news, TWR is simply your one-stop shop. TWR Tech Video. Activate your 2-day trial of TWR All Access on the Discord platform. Stay tuned at the end for TWR Products and Services. So I know I'm a little late on this one, but I wanted to get this out, and I had family over this weekend, so figure no time but the present to go ahead and get the tech video out. But I want to talk about trading market volatility. Now, what is this? Why it's useful, and how to make some money off of it is what we'll cover in this presentation. Now, we have to first understand volatility, right? So volatility trading is measuring of how prices of returns are scattered over time of particular assets or financial products. And so it's a key metric because volatility creates dramatic profit potential. Now, however, trading on volatility can also create significant losses if traders do not learn the appropriate information and strategies when going into trading off of volatility. Price action is a measure of volatility and probably the most important thing when you're talking about volatility trading. Traders are therefore trading volatility all of the time and creating it with their transaction because you're always trading off of price action. So by watching for how or fast the price moves, traders can gain insight into whether a price move is likely to sustain itself or if the move has run its course, looking for probably, continuation or the rejection. So now, how do we use volatility in trading? Well, understanding volatility, you can create the appropriate trading strategies, and this will help you harness profit potential. This can be done by trading volatile assets, tracking changes in volatility, and aid in the selection by incorporating volatility-based technical indicators or the use of software by focusing on low volatility assets. Volatility is an important metric for all traders, including short-term day traders and the swing traders, whose primary focus is on daily and weekly price movements. So, how is volatility traded, you might ask? Well, you can trade volatility across various markets and time frames. Volatility trading strategies can be applied to shares, Forex, commodities, options, and pretty much anything you can trade. I'm going to give you guys some volatility trading strategies, and we're going to talk about a day trading strategy, give you a swing trading strategy, and then I'll give you a little bit of examples of each for both stocks and options, and hopefully you'll get some value and worth out of this trading and go out there and make some money. So let's first talk about the day trading. So if the price moves a lot in a day, especially with lots of volume, okay, because that's important, this means that the trader can enter and exit the position easily, and that's what we want. This is one of the reasons why volatile stocks are so popular for day trading in particular. Think of Tesla, think of Meta, think of Microsoft, Nvidia. These are those bread and butter day trading darlings because they're so volatile, they're so popular for day trading. A volatile stock is one whose price fluctuates by a large percentage each day, and some stocks consistently move more than 5% each day, which is expected volatility based on the historical movement of the stock. Other stocks may only move on certain days, and that's where you can get some of your movement on those particular days. Now, we do need to put a caveat because some of these bigger market cap stocks, they may only move, a dollar or two, and the percentage may not move as great as, say, some penny stocks. But because they are bigger market cap, take example, Apple being a $3 trillion market cap, it moves, 0.25%. That is a significant move in the overall market cap of that particular stock compared to, say, a penny stock that might only move, say, 15 cents, and it, moves, 5 or 10% of the overall stock itself. Just take that in consideration when you're thinking in perspective of the market cap for the stocks. Now, volatility traders can seek out either a consistently volatile stock or one that simply is showing large volumes on the day, such as penny stocks, okay? You can identify the biggest risers and fallers within the share market of each trading day by utilizing simple stock screeners or watch lists. Most platforms have those on the platform that you're using. For example, when day trading volatile stocks, you can set up a 5-minute chart and wait for a short-term trend to develop. For day trading, a short period moving average will often highlight the current trend. And let's check out a picture of this so that you can kind of see what I'm talking about. So here we have Tesla from Friday, right? And that white line is a short-term moving average right there. And you can see from here that entry should be off of exhausting levels with exits at the first sign of a reversal trend. Now, this is a simply effective way to trade high volatility stocks and can be done multiple times throughout the trading day. This is especially effective with trading options. Now, let's go ahead and break down a notional trade, both of a stock trade and of an options trade, utilizing this particular strategy. So we'll go ahead and first start with the stock trade. So off of an exhaustion level, right, we noticed that we broke the MA and we took a trade, right? It can be, 278.70. So we hit a hard stop loss on the stock trade, right there with the red line in case we go back below our previous low of the day. So we can go ahead and cut our losses and look for a different trade. As long as we stay above our moving average and we're relatively safe throughout the day and we can stay in the trade. But we exit at the first sign of a strong trend reversal, which we notice is right there at 284.53, or that top purple box right there. Now, say we decide to stay in play. Well, we can utilize a trailing stop loss, and that would trigger at a more significant confirmation of the reversal, and you can see that at that top red line right there. The stock trade at a notional peak would be giving us about 278 at the top at 284.53 and net us about 583 per share. Now, doesn't seem like a lot, but imagine taking 100 shares of that. Now you're talking about some serious bank, right? Going into the options trade, utilizing the same time frames, understanding the previous trade, right? The option trade, and this is why it's so popular, of the same notionalized trade concept. Our entry, we could take the 320 call, 21 July at 160, not getting in too low, but not missing the boat either at the same timestamp, right? Our exit could be easily right there at 260, again, not high, not low level. You can see by the timestamp there at the top. And we just absolutely crushed that trade, making more than $100 profit per one contract. So imagine taking 10 contracts in that particular trade. That's why options rock. And I do want to highlight, if you love options and you really want to dive into the power of options, you should definitely check out the TWR Options Trading 101. It's a complete digital trading course that is coming soon at the end of July, only on TWR platform. If this interests you and you want more information on the subject, go ahead and send us an email at traderswarroom@gmail.com and put in the subject Options Trading 101. As you can see, we already have 50 members waiting to get spun up on this TWR Options Trading 101. This is a fantastic opportunity, and it's going to be a great course once we start. Now, summing up day trading so we can move on to swing trading. Day trading strategies can be used in any stock that is trending, okay? But it tends to produce bigger, bang for your buck results during volatility. And this is due to the large price movements of target levels that are being breached and reached. So we have some great classes on the website that really hone your skills onto these day trading strategies. And I want to share these with you in case they interest you. And you can definitely go check them out. All of our historical classes on the website. This class right here, TWR Day Trading 101, fantastic basic level class that gives you all the nuts and bolts on how to start getting prepared with your individual strategy on executing day trading. So definitely check this one out. The link's right there. It's also in the description. Go view what we have on the historical page. The next class is how to day trade trends. So you get the day trading 101, and then you get this class, how to day trade trends. And they kind of work together because The Day Trading 101 gives you the nuts and the bolts, and then you start to formulate your plan and strategy, and you learn how to get that time frame continuity and ride the waves essentially with the trend. So this is another one that's a fantastic course, and I highly suggest anybody that is really looking to enhance their day trading to get up on these courses. So now that we talked about day trading, let's go into a little bit on volatility trading strategies with swing trading. And swing trading is great to maximize gains that mature from a plan of attack. A great strategy with swing trading is catching breakout and breakdowns off of stocks before they actually happen, and then ride the wave as they come. So a breakout or breakdown happens when the price of an asset moves beyond support and resistance levels on a chart, which indicates a new trend direction. So when we're talking about volatility breaking, right, we want to use technical indicators, and we want to push these out on further charts so that we can create support and resistance areas. Now, there's many ways to skin this cat, but mainly indicators are best used in their natural state. And what I mean by that is utilize these indicators that enhance your chart already, that are already on your platform. You don't need to fix them or anything like that. Just use them the way they are, and because you're only utilizing them to confirm what you already have on your main chart. Now, here's some of my favorite ones, right? The MACD, RSI, TSI, and the money flow. And again, like I was saying, dudes way smarter than us that have worked their entire lives and careers have created this thing. So while they're not perfect, probably much better than some of the BS stuff that we can come up with and whip up just because we have a great idea fairy moment, go ahead and just use what they got. Now, when we're looking for the swing trade, we want to be at least looking at the 15-minute chart at a minimum time frame. And we should probably be looking at further out ones like the 30-minute and the 4-hour chart to look for support and resistance level. Now, we'll take a look at an example of a notional trade like we did before, and we'll look at potential trades, but we're not going to dive deep like we did in the original trade with a stock and an option trade, because you guys get the point on what I was trying to establish. So let's go ahead and dive into this. So let's go ahead and take SHOP, for example, right? You can see SHOP is giving you the signs of a breakout for a minute, right? So from the previous jump, it peaked, creating the resistance point, right? And then bounced around, creating higher lows, but hitting some resistance like 3, 4, 5 times, right? 3 strong areas. Now, these should have been light bulbs going off in your head that should have gave you the notion that, you know what, alert, 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 because a breakout is pending. Now, the trade could have been for shares. You could have gone in after the initial push, and then the dump reversed to the upside would have been a good opportunity for shares long, with the expected of the retest at resistance. Now, options, not a bad idea at that point either, but it would have been a better idea to went ahead and got the third rejection off the resistance and expecting malingering down there at the low levels with the higher lows, and go long and expect a break eventually for the bullish movement. Now, of course, hindsight is 2020. You can see right here, we did get that bullish push, but definitely the chart was telling you guys, was screaming at you, hey, go long, stupid. So you can see here, once it broke out, you got a decent push of about $5 on a stock trade, and a notional price. If you took the trade from our notional entry, that's about good for $13 a share. Options trade idea would have been about a $9 move. And you can just say bank based on the trade. Now, swing trade is all about time frame continuity, which is the key to success of any trade that's pushed out past the same day. You should check out some of our classes on the website specifically that cover these particular topics. The New Year, New You, TA, and Indicators class is a fantastic one for swing trading technical analysis and indicator breakdown that gives you great baseline for swing trading specifically. And of course, we have TWR How to Swing Trade video, guys. This one is all about swing trading strategies specifically tailored to the person that doesn't have the luxury of trading on the spot day to day. All right, so in conclusion, volatility trading has the potential to provide big rewards when utilizing leverage But it also has the opportunity for big losses as well, just like anything else. Now, whether you're trading a volatile market or not, risk management is paramount, and that is what gives you guys the opportunity to either cut losses quickly or gauge your gains in a structured and disciplined manner. Now, stop loss orders should always be used, and the need for these execution tools increases as volatility and or leverage increases with your trade risk. I want you guys to remember that TWR is here to bring you the thought-provoking content to like-minded traders and investors so that you are not alone in your trading journey. The goal is to grow, learn, and share and make some money as a team of market warriors. The market is our war zone and stocks are the battle. Make the market bend that knee in 2023, and with TWR, you bow to no one. And as always, let's go to war together. TWR Products and Services. All right, team, our next class is set on 22 July at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. We are going to teach you how to utilize level 2 stock data to catch big money reversals. Guys, Shiner is going to break it down. With 37 years of stock trading experience, he's going to teach you guys the essentials when looking at this data. Many people see this all the time on their phone, tablet, or computer, but they don't quite understand what it really means. He is going to break it down so that you guys can really dive into it, understand it, and catch these big money market maker institutional reversals and ride the wave for huge profits. This is a must-have class, especially if you're serious about your money and you're serious about trading and investing. TradersWarRoom.com/upcoming classes where you get your link. The link is in the description. Every purchase gets a recorded copy, and I will see you there in class on 22 July at 1 p.m. Traders War Room is your one-stop shop. Try our TWR one-to-one mentoring. Does the market have you feeling like this, or wanting to rip your hair out while you watch your account dwindle? If that's you, then Traders War Room has you covered. Our one-to-ones focus on you as a trader or investor. The Zoom session connects you with a TWR professional. Whether we're covering charts, developing a plan of attack, or being strategic and deep diving on the how, why, and execution of trade plans. TWR one-to-ones will give you the confidence to attack, conquer, destroy, and make the market bend the knee in 2023. Join TWR and bow to no one. Book your session today. The link is in the description or on the website at TradersWarRoom.com. Let's go to war. We cover it all at Traders War Room, whether you're looking for stocks, options, futures, Forex, crypto, or even sports betting, or you want real-time alerts, live trading, algo signals, or even if you just want to be part of a community of like-minded investors to grow, learn, and share together as a team. Something for everyone, every budget, and every style. Join TWR today and trade with the bulls. The market is our war zone and stocks are the battle. Join TWR and let's go to war.